Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Ganda's Lolas here. Today is Saturday. We have a road trip sa pamilya ko. So, dito sa Calgary Downhill Karting Adventure. So, it's Saturday and we were off on an exciting road trip to the Calgary Downhill Karting Adventure. We've just arrived and just now walking to the scenic and riding to cable lift to the top of the hill, getting ready for an adrenaline pumping ride back down. This isn't your type to go karting. It's gravity powered downhill karting, where you steer a three-wheeled cart down a winding track that you own pace with beautiful views of the surroundings landscape and the wind in your face. It's the perfect mix of fun outdoor adventure. So as for now, we are getting ready and we're on the line up so far to hop to the cable left to the top here. So it's very thrilling. At the first time, you feel scared, panic, because you don't even know if the keyboard is safe. So here we are riding on the keyboard, and so far it's kind of chilly, cold, because there's a little bit windy, and besides it's still early. It's around 11 o'clock in the morning when we get here, but handleable naman, kayang-kaya. So this is the first we have in first try to go up there, and then we have also chance to go twice if you want to, but since you are paying for two rides, so why not? So we go back again, and the second one we are not scared, we're relaxing, and we just treat ourselves into to have fun, right? So here is, I think this is the second one that we are riding to the cable. Or first time, no, because this is the same video that I was taken here at downhill karting. So we're still in the cable, and we're prepared to get stopped to the top, and then riding down to go back by the cart, right? So that's the one you can control on your own. The first time we try, we don't know how to use it, but the second attempt we're good. So we are waiting each other and take a picture by the cable camera, their camera. So I just pay for it because I can't able to use my own, not unless I have my 360 camera that you have to put in your neck or something. So, or GoPro that you have to put on your forehead, but I don't have those equipment. I only have the phone and the selfie stick, so I can't able to use it. So while we are there at the karting, riding the cart, we just use the surveillance camera, and then I just pay for it, for the cost, for $15 each video. So I don't mind, so because I don't have own video when taken for all the karting. So after the karting, we proceed to Sheep River. So because we have lots of time, it's still early, it's still noon, or 1-ish when we get here, and we have plenty of time to go around in Calgary, and this is an hour away from Calgary when we go to the Sheep River. So here we are, we're here spending for few hours. I think we just spend for half an hour, and then we just go back to have a road trip to Calgary Cross Iron. Of course, we never missed the Cross Iron Mall when we decided to go to Calgary. So for now, we are here at Sheep River, taking some pictures, a good scenery, remembrance for this beautiful view. And after we go back to Calgary Cross Iron, and after Cross Iron we go back to Edmonton. So we got back around 8:30 at night when we are there at Calgary. So we're spending time
Hello mga kagandang lola,
enjoying ourselves,
mag-iwan na kayo ng bakas
taking pictures
para
here at
ma-suportaan po kayo.
River.
Andito kami sa
Thank you everyone for watching, and hope you guys enjoy the view and
river.
the all scenery here at Sheep River. And maybe one of those bloggers wants to try to see the falls, then you are able to come here. It's free, and you can able also to picnic. There's some also a table picnic here if you want to, and maybe you can take a floating here, but be careful for the falls because it quite deep. Thank you everyone for watching for today, and hope you guys enjoy the view for the falls. And don't forget to subscribe and give me some comments so that I could also return some visit to your
You press the hair, okay?
channel. Thank you, bye.
Okay.
Thank you everyone. Bye for now.
What? One, two. There. Done? I got 1, 2. None. You're literally. Balik na kami. Baba. Oh, ito lang. Balik na. Yan falls. Bakit? Ha? Ha? Balik na kami. Ayan. Iniwan na ako. Iniwan na ako. Alam nyo kasi dito sa Canada, pupunta ka ng bukid, bundok. Nagdayo kami dito sa bundok para may makakita kami ng falls. Ayun, tubig. Ayan. So, tapos na yung adventure namin for today. Ang ganda ng view.
Lot of view.
Ba't ka may bumabagal?
Kalusog yan, hindi.
Ang ganda ng view. amin yan. Hindi amin yan. Sa kanila yan. Oh, ang laki-laki. Yaman ng may-ari niyan. Ang mga farmer dito, ang yayaman.